Hey guys, just want to make a quick video today explaining we are running a 20% discount in the new Discord. Okay, we have about 32 members right now, very active community. We are doing Polarity ATI stuff every day. We're looking at Polarity ATI. We are looking at Bookmap. We are looking at supply and demand, key levels, basically everything you need to be a sufficient trader on your own. We are doing that here, and we are running 20% discount for the monthly, 3 monthly, and annual plan, so you can save a lot of money there. It's not running for too long, so you got to grab your membership soon. But a lot of the members are killing it every day in the Discord. Just this past week, you can see lots of gains in here, lots of gains every day, and people killing it, and it's awesome to see. We had one guy who joined about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, used Polarity ATI with our analysis and live streams, and passed 20 funded 50K accounts. So he's got 20 funded accounts now, and that's all using the Polarity ATI, which we look at every single day, and we also look at Bookmap every single day. We give out key levels, and we do live streams every single day with Bookmap, Polarity, and they're about 45 minutes to an hour long. We also provide a education session every week, so we've been doing that for the past month so far. We got private chats. We have a Polarity course, which we'll be developing very soon. And we also have a supply and demand course, which I usually sell for about $400, $450. And we have a 5-hour course on that. Okay, and it's free with the membership. So very good deals. Very, very good deals. And hope to see you guys in there. We have a big group in the Discord so far. We got a couple hundred people in here. And yeah, hope to see you guys in there. 20% off anything on the store. So hope to see you guys in there. See you guys.